kicking it with family and having some fun. Hello, all you beautiful souls out there in my social media family. My name's Chris. This is my cousin Danny, and we're here to help you find your happiness. In today's video, we're going to be discussing going out with family and having some fun. So this weekend, I came out from San Francisco to visit my cousin Danny. This is Danny. Say hello, Danny.
What's up, everybody?
And so we're just climbing up this mountain. So if you're following me over on Instagram, you'll see some more pictures that I've been posting over there about this little mountain climb that we're taking today. And so we have a high wind advisory, and it's supposed to be like dumping 3 feet of snow where we're at. It's already snowing. You guys probably can't see it out here. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of get a little bit of a conversation going about things to do when you're feeling down and going out and, you know, getting together with family. Because a lot of times that we forget that, you know, maybe we feel lonely and we're sitting there in our house and going, man, I really don't have anybody. I don't have any friends. But one of the things is that there's always somebody that you can reach out to. Now, whether it be family or whether it be a friend or somebody, just go out and have some fun, right? It's really important to go out there and have some fun with family. And what kind of things do I mean? Like, what kind of stuff do you like doing for fun, Danny?
Outdoor stuff, everything I could do, ride, bike, everything.
So like you got motorcycles on?
Car shows, motorcycle shows, all things like that. Yeah, I like to go out and I like to experience life as much as I can and just take it all in and keep on doing different things to change just all kinds of stuff. It's nice. Right?
So that's like, you know, Danny was saying, so whatever it is that you like doing, you know, it doesn't matter what it is. Like, you know, Danny's fortunate enough where he's got a job where he's got motorcycles and ATVs and all kinds of really cool stuff that you can go out, you know, and he's been living out here in Reno. You can go out and shoot guns and stuff. So it's pretty fun out here. But one of the things is, like, it doesn't matter what it is that you're doing. And if you know, like, I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos about, you know, forgiving family. I put it on Facebook. I had posted a video about forgiving family. And one of the things is, if you know, if you're having a hard time reconnecting with your family members, guys, just understand that the past is the past and there's nothing that can be done about it. Okay. So one of the things for me, you know, that I understood, like, you know, with my sister, you know, if you guys saw my video on Facebook, I reached out to my sister and I asked, you know, I forgave her for all the things that I thought that she had done to me. And, you know, then she told me all the things that I had done to her when we were kids, and, you know, and then she forgave me for those. And now I have the most amazing relationship with my sister, right? So again, you know, my Danny and I, like, we haven't hung out in years, probably like 5 or 6, 7 years.
You just gotta reach out, huh?
Right? Exactly. And that's the whole point of this video, is reaching out to family, right? So make sure that, you know, whatever's gone on in your family, guys, it can be fixed, but it just means that you guys have to be able to forgive each other and be able to go out and you know, move past whatever has happened, and understand that family is like the most important relationships that you can have. I mean, they're the best friendships that you're going to have with anybody, right? I mean, that's your blood. I mean, so make sure that you just, you know, forgive whoever it is. If you haven't seen your family in a long time, right? Just take a moment and reach out to them, man, just to say hello, right? I mean,
man drove like how many miles to get out here?
It took me like 4.5 hours.
And he came out. So right? We're out here, we're having fun, we're having a blast, and man, it's not like having family next to you, dude. Having blood is just, it's the best thing. You can have friends, but having blood is just, it's nice.
It's that much better, guys. So make sure whatever you do, I don't care what it is that's going on in your life, you know, like recently, like, you know, you guys know my story. Like, I've gone through a bunch of shit. Danny's gone through a bunch of shit too. But look at us, man. We get together with family and we come out, and that is when all the stuff that's happened just goes away. Right? And that's the whole point. Like, you know, not only just reaching out to family and going out with family, having fun, but when you do connect with family, it's a good way to be able to just release all the things that are happening in your life, right? I mean, think about it, Danny. Like, let me ask you this. So since I've been up here, have you been thinking about any of the shit that you were going through recently?
No, I'm just thinking about things that we can do to enjoy ourselves, to have a good time in life. Right?
Exactly, right? So that's the whole thing, right? So by getting together with family, it allows you just to kind of get out of that same headspace that you've been in and struggling with. So again, make sure, don't care what's going on in your life, reach out to family, go out and do something fun. For us, we're just out here in the car, you know, he's got a big Hummer, and we're just going up here, just doing some 4x4 and, you know, doing nothing. It doesn't cost us any money other than the gas, right? So it's not like you have to have a lot of money to be able to do these things. All right, everybody? So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and please share this video with somebody who you think might benefit from it. because you never know when the right words from the right person will hit somebody at the right time and help them find their happiness. Other than that, guys, don't forget to join me over on Instagram and Vibe Tribe group page. All those links will be in the description below. You can also listen to these videos over on Spotify. That link will also be in the description below. Until next time, Danny and I are sending you all much love.
Peace, everybody.
Namaste.
Much love.